Welcome back to my channel. She is Val B, looking a hot mess. But in this video today, I am going to show you how I install my lace closure wig. So here I have the stocking to make the scalp look realistic. And then I have 2 clips in the front, 2 clips on the sides, and I have 1 in the back. This is VANNE B hair, the only hair I wear, and I'm wearing the B straightforward in 22, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure. So what I'm doing here is braiding some anchor braids so that I can slide the clips right under them, and that will secure the wig. I'm doing the same to the other side, and then I'm going to part my hair down the middle and then create 2 braids. Now I'm going to take the 2 braids, cross them in the back, and then tuck them in. Ooh, them naps. Anyway, that is the anchor braid, and the clip will go right there. Now I'm going to push the wig combs under the anchor braids, and in the front I'm going to pull them nice and tight so that the closure fits snug. I'm satisfied with how the wig is sitting, so I'm pulling it back now. I'm going to spray some Got2B Freeze Spray so I can lay my hair down, and then I'll spray on a second layer and then lay down the lace. I tied my hair down for about 10 minutes so that the lace can really melt into my skin. Alright, so this is about 10 minutes later. While I was waiting, I did my brows. So anyway, I'm taking this off and I'm pretty happy with the way that came out. And this freeze spray is serious. Like, that lace is not going anywhere. Time to straighten this hair. You see how it's like all bumpy at the top, so we're gonna make this nice and silky. I'm going to start off with one side. I'm gonna flat iron it and then run my what do you call that, my curling wand over it to really flatten it out. And then I'll do the same to the other side. I have a hot comb, but I have the old school one where you have to put it on the stove, wait a couple minutes, and I was in another room and I wasn't trying to do that, so I gotta get the one with the plug. So for now, this is the method. I'm parting out a very, very thin layer so I can create some baby hairs, and then I'm gonna trim them down with an eyebrow razor. And now time for some baby hairs. And lastly, combing this hair out. This hair is amazing. Again, this is VANNE B. It's super soft, easy to comb through. I freaking love this hair. I'll leave the link down below as well. so nice. Who is going to tell me that's not my hair? Who? This is the finished look. If you like this, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Oh, I also recorded this makeup look right here, so stay tuned. And thank you for watching.